The OpenAPI Specification, previously known as Swagger Specification, is a format used to describe, produce, consume, and visualize RESTful web services. It defines the structure and syntax of REST APIs, making it easy for developers to build consistent APIs that adhere to industry standards. One of the most significant advantages of OpenAPI is that it's programming language agnostic. This means that both human users and computers can identify and understand service capabilities without requiring additional documentation or accessing source code or inspecting network traffic. An OpenAPI file describes an API in its entirety, including endpoints, authentication methods, operation parameters, and contact information. It can be written in YAML or JSON. Now let's dive into the different OpenAPI parameters. Query parameters are commonly used parameters that allow clients to limit their data requirements, such as page numbers or offset of page content. Path parameters, on the other hand, define the location of data used by a client, such as a website. Header parameters, a set of key-value pairs, can be used to configure the behavior of an API, while cookie parameters are used by web servers to store information about the user's session on the server. OpenAPI was part of the Swagger framework until 2016, when it became a separate project. It is now overseen by the OpenAPI Initiative, an open-source collaboration project of the Linux Foundation. Although Swagger is a widely used toolset for implementing OpenAPI, it is not the only available tool. So why use OpenAPI? There are several reasons, including its ability to serve as a single point of truth, automate API client generation, provide readable and updated documentation, and adhere to industry standards. Many industries benefit from OpenAPI technology, including e-commerce, media, and government. For API developers, following OpenAPI best practices is crucial. These include adopting REST patterns, creating friendly descriptions, naming consistently, and implementing continuous integration and delivery. OpenAPI supports API security through solutions such as Noname Security, a holistic API security system that protects APIs from authorization issues, data leakage, misuse, abuse, and data corruption without network modifications or agents. You can learn more about how to protect APIs from attacks in real time with automated detection and response by visiting nonamesecurity.com.